I wish High Chief Tom Ikimi a happy birthday. And let me start with a prayer. I asked the God Almighty to bless a man of high integrity, High Chief Tom Ikimi, and the blessings of God, which includes prosperity even at this age. Because there's one old adage that says that it is good to get money at an old age, because that money will take care of you. So I wish him prosperity, promotion even at this age, good health, longevity. It is only in Nigeria that people feel if you are 80, you are getting old. Go to other parts of the world. Some places like Japan, 80 is the beginning. And so I wish him long life, happiness and joy, and other blessings that God will bestow on him. It's done 80 circles around the sun. And you know the earth revolves. So it's 80. He just did the last one, 1 year ago, again round the sun. At this point, the man, Chief Tom Ikimi, had displayed his professionalism in this field of career. An architect, a politician, a diplomat, a public servant, a leader. And when he was the External Affairs Minister of our country, was a strong voice, not only for Nigeria, but for Africa. And I can recall that Chief Tom Ikimi had advocated a homegrown democracy, not the one we have now with no constitution, because this is a borrowed constitution with capital flights from National Assembly, Executive, and other sectors of the government. But it must be homegrown. And we still need to tap from his wealth of experience. Because this man has traversed from his professional career to politics, to public servant, to business, and he's been successful. Today, he still remains one of the few Nigerians that you can call at any time that is ready to put the map of Nigeria, strategize, put the plan. He's a strategist. And so the young ones like us, we still need to learn quite a lot from him. We wish him well at this season. And I know that God has blessed him. And wish him more of these blessings. And more days ahead that he can contribute to nation building. This is the time I call on God and Chief Ikimi. This is the time for you to do more, even more, for the people of Nigeria. Because you have all it takes. God bless you. God will strengthen you and grant you good health. You will live for us.